everyone, welcome to the new series of the Power BI Power Pivot. ये सीरीज में हम लोग सीखेंगे the in detail knowledge about the Power Pivot. What are the components of Power Pivot? How the languages, DAX languages works? What are the data modelings and each and everything in details. So let's start for the Power Pivot lecture. So Power Pivot has a different components. Okay, so let's begin. I take you to the screen of the Power BI. So exactly what I want to do. So अगर Power BI में देखेंगे so वहाँ पे आपको चार कंपोनेंट्स मिलते हैं Power BI में. So अगर आपने डेटा पुल किया रहेगा तो अगर आप ट्रांसफॉर्म डेटा करते हैं तो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट आता है आपका दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पावर क्वेरी. Okay, that is Power Query Editor is your first component of the Power BI. The second component is a visualization tool. Visualization tools यानी यहाँ पे आप क्या कर रहे हैं अलग 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 चार्ट्स क्या कर रहे हैं आप डिराइव कर रहे हैं डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. थर्ड टूल इज कॉल्ड एज उस चार्ट्स को हम लोग ऑनलाइन पब्लिश कर रहे हैं टू गो थ्रू द चार्ट्स एंड विजुअलाइजेशन लुक्स then that is called as a Power BI services through which we can publish the reports. And the last part is called as a Power Pivot. Power Pivot has a two component. One is a data component and second is a modeling. Data component is what exactly? The data component will show each and every tables of your data inputs. अगर हम लोग दूसरे यहाँ पे जाते चलो आई हैव अनदर रिपोर्ट. अगर यहाँ पे देखो हम लोग डेटा टूल्स में जाते हैं एक्चुअली सो यहाँ पे अलग 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 जितने भी टेबल्स रहेंगे रिलेटेड टू दैट द डेटा विल बी शोन. नाउ डेटा में क्या करेंगे हम लोग वी विल ऐड न्यू कॉलम एंड न्यू मेजर्स फॉर मोर एक्सप्रेशंस एंड कैलकुलेशंस. नाउ मॉडलिंग व्यू क्या रहेगा मॉडलिंग व्यू में वी बिल्ड अ रिलेशनशिप. How we build the relationship, what the relationships are called, how exactly this relationship works, everything we are going to see in this series in detail. So these are the components of your Power BI. So major component which we use for the analytical expression is called as your data tools and modeling tools. So what it exactly? The Power Pivot is a key component of the Power BI that allows users to create and manage a complex data model. So complex data model जो भी रहेगा उसमें जो भी new calculations या new measures add करके हम उसमें बहुत सारा analytical data sets create कर सकते हैं. Originally ये अगर आप Power Pivot देखेंगे so it is a part of Excel also. Now it is integrated in Power Pivot. Okay. So Power BI desktop, leveraging the capabilities for creating sophisticated data models and performing efficient calculation. The key feature of Power BI जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया one is data modeling and the second is data analysis expression. What is data modeling? That is relationship and data connections. जैसे मैंने already बोला that is a modeling. ये modeling यहाँ पे relationships and connections we create करें in a different table which is called as a fact table, dimension table. In another language we called as a master data and transactional data. Master data is unique and transactional data is a multiple data actually. And second thing we called it as a data analysis expression which comes in this part. So these are the two major components of Power BI. So in the next video, we're going to first learn how the data modeling works, how the relationships and data connection works. So we're going to learn about that in the next lecture. So thank you very much. So stay tuned for the lectures. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos if you really likes. Thank you very much.